Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. My name is Ravi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about which are my favorite books of 2021 that I loved reading, and I wanted to share with you guys those books. The books that I am going to talk about in this video have helped me in so many ways. Some of the books are also give me the motivation to start this YouTube channel, and some are also help me to make better decisions in life. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 books that I loved reading in 2021 and what I like about them and why you should read them. So make sure you check out all the books, and if you find useful, make sure you read them. So the first book is The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. So this is one of those books that you want to reread again and again, because when you read it the first time you didn't get many things from the book unless you read it like 2 or 3 times. So if you don't know who Naval Ravikant is, he's an entrepreneur and an angel investor and also a philosopher, and he writes on various topics on Twitter. So if you're on Twitter, then you will probably know he's a kind of a big deal on Twitter. I really like his tweets on money and life and philosophy because it contains a very deep meaning, and reading those kind of tweets really makes you think, and it makes me really happy when I read about those tweets. And also this book is a collection of Naval's diary and his writings, his interviews, and the author of the book compiled all this together and made it into a book. Such a great book with amazing lessons on life and philosophy and how to become a better version of yourself. A must read book, so if you haven't read it, please go check it out. And also this book is available for free on the web. I will put the link in the description so you guys can check it out and read it. The next book is Anything You Want by Derek Sivers, and the subtitle is 40 Lessons for a New Kind of Entrepreneur. So this book is for everyone, even if you are not into an entrepreneur kind of thing, you can still read this book, and this will contain so many lessons on life also. So in this book, Derek talks about how he started his company called CD Baby, and later he sold it for $20 million, and that is just one part of the book. I really like how he shares his life experiences on running and managing a business, and also he shares very openly on the initial days of CD Baby, how he faces the challenges and how we should learn from those mistakes and overcome if we are going to start something like that. After reading the book, it felt like very relaxed and peaceful and not taking any kind of pressure of something, because in life we chase everything, like we are chasing money and wealth and happiness and doing all of the things, we often forget about ourselves. And one of the quotes I like from the book is, never forget why you are really doing what you are doing. Are you helping people? Are they happy? Are you happy? Are you profitable? Isn't that enough? After reading the book, you will have a clear idea on how to start something new and something unique, something that can solve a problem, and then you will have a clear path down the line. This is the best book that I discovered and read in 2021, and also it's a short book about 80 pages. So I'm planning to reread this again, and also I'll keep this close as possible, so whenever I get the time, I make sure I have to read this. The next book is The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Now, compounding is an incredible concept that can work with almost anything you can imagine. And this is a must-read book if you want to know how compounding works. The idea behind compounding is, if you can make small and smart decisions consistently, then it will give you huge results over time. And there are many successful people who have used the power of compounding in their life and in their business to achieve huge success. Let's take this example from the book on how compounding can give you massive results. If you were given a choice to take between $3 million in cash right now, or a single dollar that doubles in value every day for 31 days, which one would you choose? Most of you guys will choose $3 million in cash. But if you decide to choose $1 that doubles in value for 31 days, you would have ended up getting more than $10 million on the day 31st. So this is how compounding can give you big results over time. It's a great book on understanding how compounding works, and it will give you huge results if you use the concept the right way. The next book is Still Like an Artist by Austin Kleon, and the subtitle is 10 Things Nobody Told You About Being Creative. This book is especially for creators who love creating and sharing content online. And if you are a creator and you love building an online community of like-minded people, then this book is for you. If you are about to start something new like a blog or a YouTube channel or a social media page, and you don't have any content to post about and you don't have any ideas to share with, then this book will definitely help you. It tells you that you can collect ideas and inspiration from anywhere you want. The only thing is that you should know what you want and how you're gonna use that information in your creativity. and then you are good to go. And every great artist that we know, they all have taken inspiration from other successful people they like or they follow. I loved it when I first read this book, and I thought that I wish I could have read it before starting my content creation journey. Also, this is a very short book, you can finish it like in 2 hours. And if you haven't read this book, make sure you go and check it out. The last book is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. So this is one of the best books that got my attention in 2021. And also this is very simple and a deep book if you understand it well. If you read it, you will learn a lot of things about money and wealth building, and how you should spend your money and how you can save more money. This book has completely changed my perspective about how I think of money, and it really comes down to how we act and behave with money rather than our emotional connection with money. Because when we buy or we spend our money on something that we like, we actually buy an emotion rather than the product. So it's basically our emotion that triggers us to purchase something. It's not always that we really need some stuff and still we ended up buying that product. So it's often our emotion that tells our mind to spend the money on unnecessary things. And that is why I love this book. It's literally focusing on the human psychology of money and our relationship with money. A great book to read if you want to learn more about wealth building and want to know more about the real mechanism behind money and how it works, then you should definitely read this book. So these are all the 5 books that I loved reading in 2021. And if you like these books and want to read them, then I will add the links in the description so you guys can check it out. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and do check out my Instagram and Twitter and follow me there as well. The links in the description. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.